He's smiling.
Swim, little guy. Swim. No, don't go back that way. That's where that dude is.
Weird looking turtle.
What? It's like husband and wife turtle and
They're swimming
Mr. Crocodile just hanging out at the beach club. I wonder if the crocodile needed a reservation to get in here too. He's gonna swim right up to him. Maybe they're like friends. Who knows?
Oh, he's trying. He's trying.
What the? How is that possible?
I want to see some action. No, don't eat anything. But like.
Wait a minute.
Oh,
all right,
no,
we got some action here.
Are you recording?
Go get him. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh no!
Oh.
He's getting hungry. Y'all can't mess with me like that. I'll come get you. Oh.
Oh no.
Come on, let's see some water carnage.
What? What's that?
It's when the alligator, or whatever, the crocodile alligator eats those things.
No.
All right, let's go. One of my favorite smells. Instead of what?
Instead of alligators, do you think it would be the Florida dials?
Florida allidiles.
No,
Snakegators. So are we going to Big River? Is it called Big River or Three Rivers?
Big River.
Big River. Big River Brewery.
You're thinking of Three Rivers Barbecue.
Is that what I'm thinking of? Oh, okay. We're going to Big River.
Thank you.
We started at Beach Club and now we're walking over there to, you're going the wrong way, this way. Woo!
See you later.
Bye. You know, I bought an ND filter the other day and I wanted to put it on the camera because I wanted to play with it and I totally forgot to bring it today.
What filter?
An ND filter, so it brings the sunlight and makes it less harsh because today it's just crazy sunlight.
Right. But
Silly boy.
no.
What do you want to do after we go to Big River? You want to hit the skyliner and go to I want to go to Caribbean Beach. Yeah. Or we go to like Art of Animation. That'd be fun.
Caribbean Beach, I want to go lay on a hammock.
Okay, that sounds good. It's so beautiful out tonight.
It is, it's gorgeous.
Just kind of warm.
Like me.
Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. Look, you were wrong. It is called Big River. You thought it was called Three Rivers.
That's what you said.
I don't think so. Nope. Are you getting a beer?
Yeah.
All right, let's get a beer. Where's the beer menu? Do you have it? Yoink. Southern Flyer Light Lager. That one sounds okay.
Nice.
Maybe that one. What's on the back? Peachy Keen Wheat, Hothead Brown, Toasted Hefeweizen. That sounds good.
I'm gonna get the peachy wheat.
All right. I think I'm gonna get the light lager. Yep. What are you getting?
Good question.
You don't know?
Should I just get what I always get? I always like it.
What do you always get? The club sandwich?
No. The
What?
California chicken.
Oh yeah, the California. Get it. If that's what you like, do
You
it.
always yell at me because like.
You eat it, so get it. Michelle gets adult meals here, and the deal is if she doesn't eat the whole thing, she has to pay for it with her own money. So I hope you eat this whole thing. Look at the fermentation tanks where they brew the beer here. Whoa. Bless you. I know. I didn't mean to go with the IPA. I can't not get it. It sounds delicious.
Going against your instinct.
It's a new one. I wanted to try it. Is it good?
How is it?
I'm gonna try it. Yeah? That's a good idea. It's kind of flat, not super hoppy.
No.
It's pretty good.
It's hoppy.
I dig it.
There's the broth. I never know how to eat this.
Just eat it. You've saved yourself from another meal that you have to pay for. High five. That is the best food on property in my opinion.
Really?
I really love that place. It's not as expensive as all the other places. That burger was like the best, and the mac and cheese is really good.
That mac and cheese is insane.
I know, right?
So comforting.
Oh my
Especially
goodness.
with bacon. The waitress told me to add bacon, and I'm glad I did.
Me too.
When in doubt, just always add bacon.
So now we're gonna go hit the Skyliner and head over to Caribbean Beach. That's pretty cool.
Let's do it.
This is like my favorite place to walk around because you can get everywhere and it's fantastic. Yeah. I think they're getting towed. The boat broke down. That stinks. And Miles is playing Pokemon Go and he just caught us right there. Do you think we should stop at the Riviera and get a coffee first? Is there a coffee shop at Caribbean Beach?
I don't know.
We go to the coffee shop at the Riviera and then walk to Caribbean Beach.
Good. That sounds good.
I think that's a good idea.
Let's do it.
You guys take the shortcut?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, thank God. I thought they were going to put us with a bunch of other people. I'm so excited
We
about
hope you enjoyed your visit to Epcot and World Showcase.
I didn't go.
Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today?
Hola! Thank you very much.
Enjoy it. Thank you.
All we wanted to do was sit on the beach in a hammock and hang out, and it's all flooded. Every single one of them are closed because it's all flooded. So what do we do now?
Do we go somewhere else?
I guess we could hit the skyliner and do art of animation, I suppose.
I guess. It's not really a lot to do there.
I know, there's not a lot to do anywhere. I just wanted to sit on the beach.
I know.
What the heck? All right, this will have to do for at least a couple of minutes, right?
I like it's in the shade.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for, some shade. It's so warm. While this is not the worst place to sit, this is not what I had in mind.
Yeah. It's nice and shady at least.
Yeah.
The sun is hot.
We need a new destination in a couple of minutes. Where do you want to go? Anywhere special? Okay.
I just want to walk.
Okay. Oh, you need a nap, Michelle?
Quiet.
I used to drive you around when you were a kid, and you used to go to sleep, and then when I stopped the car, wake up like that.
Yep.
Like 4 or 5 times it worked that we'd go for a drive and I'd be able to get you into a nap in bed. Those were the good old days. When I paid for lunch, I left my credit card there because I can't find my credit card, and that was the last place I used it. And when I called them, they said they don't have it. So I had to cancel the credit card. Now we don't have the credit card. I have to wait for a new credit card and use one of the other credit cards.
Say credit card one more time.
Credit card counting. Credit card counter. Credit card. Credit card? I'm so mad about that.
Look it.
Well, that's not very nice. Is that it? Are we going home? Are we done?
Yeah.
I don't know. What else do you want to do?
I guess that's it. It was a fun day though.
Yeah.
I think in total we've been here for 5 hours. We've probably been walking around for like
Yeah, we've been here for 5 hours. Is this, you want to go home?
3.5 hours. We've walked.
Yeah.
Fine. Yeah, you always
My
want to go
feet
home.
hurt. Yeah.
Okay.